Hello everyone, I'm all smiles today with my morning anti-aging skincare routine at age 49. Okay, so I'm starting off with my cleanser, and this is a Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser. I love it to death. It's very lightweight, it doesn't have a scent, and it helps with dry skin, and it's really good because it has Greek yogurt in it, which is going to deliver a soothing super dose of pre and probiotics to nourish the skin. It also has aromath seed extract and honeysuckle in it, which helps with the calmness, or it helps to keep your skin calm. I think what I like most about it is that it does help with your skin texture, and it helps with pores. So if you have any of those type of issues, you might want to check this cleanser out. I really love it. Each time I use it, it always feels like I'm at the spa. And right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my cleanser off. Alright, and here I have a clean towel. I always use a clean towel anytime I wash my face or my body, and you always want to pat your skin, never rub it, because that causes wrinkles and we don't want that. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my toner, and this is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I have a lot of issues with dark spots on my face, as you can see, as well as hyperpigmentation. So just to let you all know, this is vegan, alcohol free, and it does have a pH of 6.2, so that's always good. It will help to promote bright, even skin, and it will also lessen the visibility of your pores. So this is a really good toner to use, especially if you have dullness and uneven skin tone. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my first serum, and this is by Mamone, and this is their Floral Essential Serum. I really love this. It's very lightweight, it provides extra hydration, but most importantly is that it's formulated with a unique fermented honeysuckle extract, which helps skin look firmer, more refined, and revitalized. So I love using this. This is another one of my favorite products to use during my morning routine. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with The Ordinary, and this is their caffeine solution, 5% plus EGCG. Really affordable product, and the benefits here are to help reduce the appearance of puffiness, because my eyes are always puffy in the morning. It also helps with dark circles around the eyes. It has a pH of 4.50 to 5.0. This is another product that's cruelty free and vegan. Alright, so now I have my vitamin C by Go Pure, and this is a really good one because it has ferulic acid in it, as well as aloe vera, and vitamin C as well. Vitamin C helps with so many things. It helps fade dark spots, it helps with uneven texture and dullness, sun damage. So just always have a vitamin C in your collection of skincare. Alright, so I have another lightweight serum, and this is by Good Molecules. This is their discoloration correcting serum. This is formulated with an advanced form of tranexamic acid, and it also has 4% niacinamide in it. Again, it's lightweight, helps with age spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, everything that I struggle with, and I love it. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Go Pure Eye Gel, and this has vitamin E, plant stem cell, hyaluronic acid, cucumber, matrixyl 3000. I currently don't have a moisturizer that has all of those ingredients, and that's why I love using this one. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Urban Skin RX Hydro Balance Instant Moisture Infusion. That's a long one, I know. So this has hyaluronic acid as well as squalane, and basically if you have dry skin, if you have rough texture skin, dullness, or you're concerned about the signs of aging, this would be a good product to use, as well as their line. I would suggest looking into Urban Skin RX's skincare because they really concentrate on any dark spots or hyperpigmentation that you may have. Alright, so this is the last serum that I have, and this is again by Urban Skin RX. This is their Super C Brightening Serum, and it's basically a powerhouse that's going to improve the signs of aging. It has 20% L-absorbic acid, ferulic acid, and kojic acid, which work synergistically to improve the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin texture. I must use this. I use this day and night. I love it. And now I'm just about finished going in with my Unsun. This is a everyday mineral tinted face sunscreen, and it has a SPF of 30, and it doesn't have a white cast. So if you're concerned about that, I would definitely check out Unsun because this is really a beautiful tinted sunscreen. And my last step is Vaseline on my lips. This helps to keep my lips soft. I have tried other lip balms and things like that, but I basically love Vaseline, and that's what I use on my lips. Alright, now I'm just getting myself together, trying to put my little earrings on. Not that I have anywhere to go. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what products that you love to use during your morning routine. I may not know about it, and it'll give me a chance to check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until my next video, bye.